Joining us now is a truly mad scientist. Theo Grey's new book is called Mad Science: Experiments You Can Do at Home, but Probably Should Not. But that's not going to prevent us from doing some this morning. Theo, good morning.
Morning.
Good to have you here. So what are we going to do first?
Well, we're going to make ice cream.
Of course we
but
are.
We're not going to spend half an hour cranking one of those ice cream makers like you might have done in camp. No,
right.
we're going to do this a better way.
Yeah, because we have regular ingredients. We've got milk, we have sugar, we have some vanilla. We've got it all mixed in here together.
We got everything we need except the cold. We got to add cold to it.
Yes. So
now, there's a couple ways to do that.
Yeah.
Now, normally I would do this with liquid nitrogen.
Of course.
That's my favorite way.
Yeah.
But sometimes you just don't have it. You know, what are you going to do?
You know, I have a shortage of it at my house.
It can be a problem. So what are you going to do? So we got a different way of doing it. We're going to improvise. We're going to use this fire extinguisher.
Excellent.
And so this is not an ordinary fire extinguisher. This is what's called a CO2 fire extinguisher. The kind they use this in restaurants.
Okay.
Because it leaves no residue. So like if you have a grease fire in the kitchen where you spray all the food with it, spray the whole kitchen, you wait a few seconds, you go ahead and serve it to the customers. They'll never know. But so what CO2 is basically what's in soda. You know, it's the carbonation.
It's the bubbles in
in soda.
Right.
But it's also when it's frozen, what's called dry ice.
Okay.
And when you discharge a fire extinguisher like this,
you ready?
It gets really cold. Go ahead. I think that should do it.
All right.
So what we've done is we've turned the CO2 in the fire extinguisher into dry ice.
Right.
On the spot.
Oh, because you kind of captured it.
We captured it, right? We captured it. And so this is now all full. I'm going to put these gloves on so I don't freeze my hands off.
Yeah. You know, there's nothing worse than touching dry ice and not being able to get it off the flesh.
So all we have to do now is pour it in.
Oh yeah, here we go.
And you go ahead and mix and keep mixing.
Yeah, we're mixing. This is good. This is. It's turning into ice cream. It really is turning into ice cream.
All right, now.
There we go. There it is.
You just keep mixing. Now what you get here is you get carbonated ice cream because of course it's CO2, right? So it's kind of like a halfway between soda pop and ice cream.
Yeah.
And that's not a flavor that a lot of people probably have tried.
Yeah, I don't think Haagen-Dazs is trying to, patent this in any way, shape, or form. But somewhere in there is bubbly, sort of interesting ice cream. Right?
Yep. Yeah. You keep stirring, and you'll have ice cream.
You know, I'm not going to taste it.
It won't kill you. You know.
It looks good though.
It looks kind of frozen.
If I stirred it a little harder.
I think we might have put a little too much of the dry ice in there.
Okay. What's the next one? This is fun.
So next one is we're going to show you why there are different kinds of fire extinguishers.
Okay.
So this one is good on grease fires.
Right.
You know, electrical fires. There's other kinds where, like, if you throw water at a grease fire.
Bad.
You're gonna.
It just spreads the fire all
everywhere.
over the place.
It just makes a mess.
Yeah.
So this is dry ice, the same material
as
is in that fire extinguisher.
Right.
And we're going to show you why you should not use that on a metal fire.
Okay.
So what we've got is magnesium shavings that are
inside the dry ice. Right.
And magnesium, as you may know, burns.
Yeah.
But it burns a lot better.
Yes.
If you put it in dry ice.
Okay.
So we're going to put these shields on.
Okay.
You might want to go stand in the corner there.
Okay. All right.
I might want to take these flammable gloves away.
Yeah.
And here we go.
And will this fire extinguisher work on that?
No, because that's the same stuff.
Oh, that's not good. So if this if this really turns into a problem, what should we do?
Wait. Pretty much.
You think it'll burn itself out?
Metal fires will burn themselves out, and there's not a whole lot you can do about it.
Yeah.
You
just get the heck out of there.
You want to get out of there.
Yeah. Very nice. All right. Good. You know what? In all these years of doing morning television, I've never gotten the chance to wear one of these.
Glad to provide you with the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Theo.
Thank you.
Very cool stuff. There's the book, ladies and gentlemen. Experiments you can do at home, but probably should not. To read an excerpt from Mad Science, go to our website, earlyshow.cbsnews.com.